Hey, I bought a new toy for Angel. She says her Mother's Day present, but Daddy gonna use it too. I'm not gonna tell her though, but we're gonna try to do some burgers today in the air fryer. Okay, some done burgers, and I wanted cabbage. And over here, I got boiled corn. And we got some steamed cabbage going on right here. We're gonna take a peek. They just got on for a minute ago, so they're looking good. And I'm gonna do some cornbread and we're gonna put the ground beef and the air fryer. I gotta make the burgers up. You know what I mean? So, anyway, I'm not gonna hold you to the full cook because you ain't got time for that, and I don't blame you. Okay, she didn't catch me, but I had to call her for help. So, she finna turn it on for me. Sweet Angel. 3 trays. I got 12 burgers, big burgers, and I hope they be big and juicy. Well, she got 40 minutes, but I'm gonna keep an eye on that joke. But I don't think for that thing takes 40, but we're gonna see. Hey, we trying out. I will let you see. This is me, and I'm gonna let you see what I'm doing in a very few minutes. Okay? Okay, the timer said I got 2 minutes to go, so we're just gonna let it cook. I don't know, it should be ready. Knock it down, I don't know. Down to 1 minute, and we're gonna open this joker up and see what's going on. I changed my mind. I am not cooking cornbread. I am hungry.